Cleaning a restroom with a Kaivac no-touch cleaning system is not only extremely effective and efficient, it's also very easy after some simple, fundamental training. The basic process involves just 3 easy stages: spraying cleaning solution on fixtures and surfaces, then pressure rinsing the surfaces with fresh water, and finally vacuuming away the soils and water, leaving the restroom clean and dry. This video provides an overview of restroom cleaning while covering the basic Kaivac no-touch cleaning process that's used when cleaning most surfaces. Once you have a basic understanding of this process, you'll be able to apply these principles to clean virtually any area within a building. For more information on cleaning specific areas of a building, such as kitchens, hallways, classrooms, and so on, please see our entire library of training videos available online and also on DVD. Let's get started. In order to provide a complete overview of restroom cleaning, we'll use the letters in the word SIMPLE to describe the process in detail and to help remember each of the steps involved. Starting with the letter S, we set up the system and also sanitize touch points, which act as disease transfer points. First, make sure to put on the proper safety equipment, such as gloves and goggles. Next, fill the water tank with cold water, and if desired, add 2 capfuls of Kai Dry to the water tank to prevent water spotting and reduce drying time. Meanwhile, if sanitizing, use a spray bottle to apply disinfectant or other sanitizing solution to restroom touch points like tissue, soap, and towel dispensers and door handles. Allow this solution to remain or dwell for the specified time. As you make your way through the restroom, pick up any trash on the floor and remove any trash cans from the restroom. Also, flush any urinals and toilets and make sure that the toilet seats are down. Then, if you haven't already, set up the chemicals so that they can be automatically and precisely diluted by the Kaivac's chemical injection system. See your Quick Start video for details on setting up the chemicals. Next, plug your no-touch cleaning system into the nearest receptacle and ensure that the GFCI is lit. Now you're ready to begin cleaning. High dusting, also called overhead dusting, is an optional step in setup that you may wish to perform on a periodic basis or as part of a scheduled maintenance program. Now's the perfect time to do so. For detailed instructions on this procedure, refer to the high dusting video module. The next letter is I, which stands for injecting chemicals. In this step, you'll apply automatically diluted cleaning chemicals to the fixtures and surfaces you want to clean in a low-pressure fan spray. To start, position the machine at the restroom entrance and unwrap enough pressure hose, lasso style, to reach the far end of the restroom. Next, use the chemical selector switch to turn on or select the chemical you wish to use. Then turn on the pump switch. Now make your way with the pressure hose to the furthest fixture in the restroom, dropping 1 coil at a time to prevent tangles. To activate the chemical flow, pull out the gun spray nozzle for low pressure and rotate it to the right for a pinpoint spray. It'll take about 10 or 15 seconds for the chemical to make its way through the hose to the gun. So spray into a toilet or drain until the chemical is seen, and then rotate the nozzle slowly to the left for a fan spray. Begin applying cleaning solution to restroom fixtures in a sweeping motion, moving from top to bottom, including the floor around the fixture, and work your way back towards the restroom entrance. Move from fixture to fixture smoothly and quickly. Only the soiled fixtures, toilets, sinks, urinals, and floor need to be wetted. However, it's important to spot clean other surfaces as needed. When all fixtures and surfaces have been wetted, return to the machine and turn the chemical selector valve to the off position to stop the flow of chemicals. Then rinse the chemicals out of the line and onto the floor to make good use of the remaining chemical. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds to clear the line. Always purge the chemicals in low pressure mode to avoid aerosolizing the chemicals. For more detailed instructions on cleaning toilets, urinals, and sinks, please refer to the fixture-specific video modules. M is for manually brushing, which is an optional step. If an area of the floor or grout line is particularly dirty, scrub the floor as needed. Pay particular attention to grout lines around urinals, sinks, and toilets to remove embedded soils and odor-causing contaminants. When finished, rinse the brush with the spray gun before putting it back on the no-touch cleaning machine. Usually, after several uses of the brush, the grout lines will be clean enough that the manual brush step can be eliminated. P is for pressure wash and rinse. Now, return to your starting point and pull the gun nozzle back into high pressure mode. Then, turn the nozzle to get a pinpoint spray and begin pressure rinsing or washing the fixtures and target surfaces, working from the top down. The pinpoint blast does a fantastic job removing hidden soils in impossible to reach areas like sink fixtures and toilet hinges. For heavily soiled restrooms, it may take several daily cleanings to remove years of soil buildup. For toilets, rinse the chrome supply pipe or tank and the top of the toilet seat. Raise the seat and blast rinse the bottom of the seat and the seat hinges. Next, insert the spray gun up and under the toilet rim for what we call the rim shot, and then scour the inside of the toilet bowl with the Kaivac version of a slam dunk. After the slam dunk, continue rinsing downward, cleaning the base of the toilet. Continue pressure rinsing remaining fixtures, moving from the rear of the restroom to the entrance. When you reach the mirrors, you may pressure rinse them as well and then squeegee them to prevent spotting. When all fixtures have been rinsed, return to the machine and turn the pump switch off. Point the gun down and squeeze the trigger to relieve any water pressure still in the line. Lock the safety and set the gun aside. L is for looping the spray line. Now, grab a towel and using the right-hand rule method, wrap the pressure hose back onto the machine. For detailed information on looping and other hose management techniques, refer to the hose management video module. E is for extract and dry. Remove the wand from its holder. Remove one loop of vacuum hose, attach the wand, and clean the area just around the machine. Now you can remove the remaining hose loops and place them down on a clean, dry spot. Even if you don't plan to move far from the Kaivac, remove all the hose in order to achieve maximum suction. Starting at the machine, begin vacuuming the floor, working your way to the back of the restroom. This way, you're always standing on dry surface, keeping your vac hose dry and clean. As you're vacuuming, listen for the greatest suction sound. This high-pitched sound indicates that you're achieving the best overall pickup. If the wand is too high or too low, you won't be able to vacuum effectively. Vacuum with a forward and backward motion at a 45-degree angle to the grout line for greatest efficiency. When you've finished and want to stow the vac wand, leave the motor running and then turn the wand up and tap it. This will prevent dirty liquid from splashing or spilling out of the end of the hose and wand. Now detach the wand from the hose and set it aside. Then wrap the vac hose back onto the machine. When you've finished wrapping the hose, you can turn off the vac motor. Then replace the wand in the holder. Return to the restroom and wipe any touch points you applied chemical to. Finally, replace the trash cans and restock items as needed. The restroom will dry spot-free in about 10 to 20 minutes. If you want to blow dry for immediate use, repeat the high dusting prep that was covered in the S or setup step. In this case, you probably won't need the vac wand, so you can attach the blow nozzle directly to the hose. Unplug the machine and wrap the cord using the right-hand rule method. When the recovery tank is full, it should be emptied in the next restroom to be cleaned. Detach the end of the dump hose and empty the vacuum tank into a suitable toilet or drain. This concludes the basic restroom cleaning process for your kayak. For more in-depth information concerning hose and cord wrapping techniques, or to see complete tutorials for cleaning specific areas such as stairs, classrooms, hallways, and more, watch the entire library of training videos available online and on DVD, and you'll see why tens of thousands of people across the world won't clean any other way. Kayak. Complete cleaning for healthy results.